Meet today's safety expert, Ms. Amelia. She is certified F.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here. Today we'll be discussing an important safety topic, OSHA. For more, visit my YouTube channel, the Enrcon. Presented by Enrcon. This is OSHA tutorial number 2A, and the focus of our session is understanding why a shock-absorbing lanyard is essential for a fall arrest system. In this brief session, we'll explore the reasons behind its importance and how it helps in protecting workers from fall hazards. So let's get started. When a fall occurs, the system acts quickly to arrest that fall by distributing the forces across the body through the harness and lanyard. The shock absorber plays a crucial role here, as it reduces the peak impact force, helping to minimize injury. This is especially important in industries like tree trimming, utilities, maintenance, manufacturing, and construction, where working at heights is common. The primary purpose of a personal fall arrest system is to prevent serious injuries or even death from falls. It also helps to reduce the impact forces on the body and ensures that workers stay compliant with safety regulations. Ultimately, these systems are essential for protecting workers and maintaining safety standards across various industries. Let's start with the shock absorber. Its main role is to reduce impact forces by up to 50%, which is crucial in preventing serious injuries during a fall. Think of it as a safety cushion that absorbs the energy of a fall, making the situation much safer for the worker. Next, we have the secure attachment point to the structure. This is where the fall arrest system is anchored to a solid, stable part of the building or structure. Ensuring this point is secure is vital because it acts as the foundation of the whole safety system. The anchor point itself connects the harness to this secure attachment. It's like the link that keeps everything connected and in place, allowing the system to function properly when needed. The lanyard connects the harness to the anchor point and plays a key role during a fall. It's designed to distribute the forces across the body evenly, which helps reduce the risk of injury if a fall occurs. Finally, the full body harness is the core component of fall arrest systems. It's designed to support and distribute the forces throughout the body, providing both safety and comfort during work at height. All of these components work together to create a reliable fall arrest system, helping to protect workers and prevent injuries in hazardous environments. Let's talk about why shock-absorbing lanyards are so important in fall protection. First, they can reduce the fall arrest loads by up to 50%. This means they significantly lower the force exerted on a worker during a fall, which is crucial for safety. By doing so, they help reduce the risk of internal injuries, fractures, and spinal damage that can occur from high-impact falls. Now, how do they achieve this? It all comes down to injury prevention. Shock-absorbing lanyards convert the kinetic energy generated during a fall into heat through a controlled tearing of the webbing. This process absorbs the energy gradually, rather than allowing it to be transferred suddenly to the body. This leads us to force reduction. When a fall happens, the lanyard deploys and absorbs the impact energy, extending the deceleration distance. This controlled extension helps decrease the peak force experienced by the worker, making falls less severe. Lastly, the core idea here is energy absorption. By deploying during a fall, shock-absorbing lanyards effectively absorb impact energy, which reduces the severity of injuries. They extend the deceleration distance, providing a safer, more controlled fall arrest. In summary, shock-absorbing lanyards are essential because they significantly reduce the forces involved in falls, protect workers from serious injuries, and help keep safety at the forefront of our operations. Let's take a closer look at the impact force comparison. When a shock absorber is used, the impact force is reduced to about 50% of what it would be without one. This means the shock absorber plays a crucial role in minimizing the force transmitted during a fall, significantly lowering the risk of injury. This reduction in impact force not only helps prevent serious injuries like broken bones or internal damage, but it also reduces the jarring sensation workers feel when a fall is arrested. That's important because it helps keep workers comfortable and reduces the chance of whiplash or other rapid deceleration injuries. By absorbing more of the shock, these lanyards also help prevent fatigue and discomfort, which can lead to increased job satisfaction and better overall productivity. So, in essence, shock-absorbing lanyards are a smart safety feature that enhances both safety and comfort on the job, ensuring workers are protected while staying comfortable and focused. Let's take a moment to look at some of the key organizations involved in setting safety standards. The American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, and the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, work together to ensure that industry standards and best practices are met. This helps us maintain a safe work environment and is crucial for avoiding potential fines and legal liabilities. Most importantly, these standards are designed to protect workers and reduce injury risks. When we talk about the importance of compliance, it's worth noting that agencies like NIOSH are focused on specific issues, such as preventing falls during tree trimming. Similarly, ISEA has developed standards like ANSI ISEA Z359132013 for personal fall protection equipment, which is vital for worker safety. There are other regulatory agencies too. For example, ANSI ASSE Z359112016, known as the Fall Protection Code, requires the use of shock-absorbing lanyards in personal fall arrest systems. OSHA's own publications, like the Fall Protection in Construction Guide, also mandate shock-absorbing lanyards as part of complete fall arrest systems. All of these standards and regulations are interconnected. They emphasize the importance of using the right equipment, such as shock-absorbing lanyards, to ensure safety and compliance on the job site. Ultimately, following these guidelines helps us protect ourselves and our colleagues, making safety a top priority in every project. Now, let's talk about the key aspects of inspecting fall arrest equipment. First, it's essential to measure the lanyard length to check for any stretching or elongation that could compromise its effectiveness. Next, verify the manufacturing date and ensure the equipment hasn't exceeded its service life expiration. It's also crucial to look for chemical contamination or UV degradation, which can weaken materials over time. When examining the equipment, pay close attention to the stitching at connection points. Loose threads can be a sign of wear or damage. Don't forget to inspect the outer packaging for any visible damage, tears, or abrasions that might indicate mishandling or potential compromise. For shock absorbers specifically, there's a dedicated checklist. Remember, any equipment involved in a fall arrest must be immediately removed from service and properly disposed of to prevent accidental reuse. It's vital that all equipment meet OSHA or ANSI standards and have the proper certification. After a fall, all components, including shock absorbers, must be taken out of service right away. During inspections, check for burn holes, tears, loose stitching, and deterioration at connection points. The overall inspection guidelines should be based on the worker's weight, the equipment used, and the potential impact forces involved. Selecting the right load capacity and ensuring proper maintenance are critical to safety. In summary, thorough inspections, proper testing, and understanding the equipment's limits help us ensure safety and compliance in every task. Proper fall protection with shock-absorbing lanyards isn't just a regulatory requirement, it can truly be a lifesaver. Using the right equipment correctly is crucial because your safety depends on it. Not only does it help keep you safe, but it also improves your comfort and productivity while working at heights. Organizations like OSHA and ANSI set strict standards to ensure workers are protected, so following these rules isn't optional, it's essential. Shock absorbers in lanyards play a key role by reducing the impact forces during a fall by up to 50%, which can make the difference between minor injuries and serious, life-altering ones like fractures or spinal damage. So the key takeaway here is that investing in the right fall protection equipment and using it properly isn't just about compliance. It's about safeguarding your well-being every single day. In conclusion, always prioritize proper fall protection. Your safety and health depend on it.